Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is episode 25 for my top 5 favorite makeup products. So, and also, I think it was yesterday we finished Vlogmas. That was so much fun to film this year because a huge chunk of the Vlogmas actually filmed in November, so I didn't have to film throughout the entire month of December and then upload. That would have been too much for me to handle. So I just stuck to filming in November and then probably editing in December so I can upload them quickly. I don't have to film and edit and upload. So that would have been too much. Today we're going to be talking all about setting sprays. In 5th place is the Matte Prep and Fix Plus. This one has been around for a long time. I don't see people talking about it as much anymore, but I did really like it. It was so good, and that's why it's in my top 5 setting sprays, because that one was such a great setting spray, but I hardly ever use. I don't even use it because I don't own it anymore anyway. 4th place we have the Revolution Hydrate and Fix Setting Spray. I loved this one for just like that retouch for touching up your makeup. It was so good. I loved it. In 3rd place we have the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Soft Setting Spray. This one is so good. I love it. I wish it was a little bit taller because I do like this tall one of the one size, and the Charlotte Tilbury. I like the size of those. Like I said, I wish it was just a little bit taller, but that's okay. 2nd place we have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This one is so good. I am almost out of it. It's so good. I do really like to sandwich this one with the one size. I like spray this after I do all my cream products and then powder, and then I spray this again, and then I finish off with the one size, and it's amazing. I actually did repurchase this one actually today. I want to get a backup for when this one runs out. In 1st place we have the One Size On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. I also repurchased this one today as I might have maybe 2 or 3 days left of this setting spray, and I definitely did want to get more of it because this one is my favorite and it's just so good. So see you guys tomorrow for episode 26, where we are going to be talking all about my top 5 favorite makeup brushes. Bye!